Coach, coming into this game, you know that you would have been facing one of the preseason favourites, semi-finalists from last year. What was your approach to this game?
There was no fear. We would have been coming out of the proverbial zone of death. So we thought we were very well prepared. We wanted to take advantage of the fact that I don't think we figured that the Mona team wouldn't have gotten that amount of stretch in the preliminary round. So we wanted to apply that pressure. Nevertheless, we conceded that early goal, but that, it was early enough to have given us some time to regroup. I thought we did that very well, and we stayed in the game. We wanted to stay in the game as long as possible. And then when our keeper came up with that save as the penalty, he just pivot the team going forward, and we live for our spirits. And we just continued to chip away at it and got that all-important goal. So, based on the run of play, we are satisfied with the point. We knew it was going to be a difficult run against one of the pre-season favorites, a tough Mona team. What we did today again was to show character to come from there and against a tough team. So we're pretty pleased with the point. Let's see what happens next game.
I know you're not one to single out players, but your number 9, Damari Daly, and your goalkeeper Malik, the two best players for Kingston College today.
Yes.
Speak to me about their impact on this game.
Good. You saw what happened in the first leg against Champion. Malik wasn't well, conceded 2 soft goals. We worked with him mentally so that he could, regain his confidence, and it is up now, especially after that save, which impacted the team positively going forward after that save. And Demario Daly continues to score. Every game for us is an important player, just as the other players. So we just continue to work diligently and remain humble and focus on the next task.
All right, and getting a point against one of the best teams in the competition, I've said before. How do you feel Kingston College chances stack up against the other teams in this group to make it to the semi-finals?
We're not looking there as yet. We set our sight on taking the competition game by game. We have been doing that very well. We'll go back down to the playing field and prepare for Stats team, another tough one, the pre-season favourite. But we just continue to approach it game by game, and we continue to improve and remain humble and just remain focused on the task at hand.
What else?